Want to change region or country in PUBG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change country or region in PUBG. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on the arrow icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the settings button. Now tap on the change button of country or region settings. We can change it only when our location is changed, so the only way is by using VPN. Download and activate the VPN in your device. Then again go to the change country or region settings. Now the country has been changed. Tap on the OK button to save the changes. And that's how you can change country or region in PUBG. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.